Here's the thing, I used to work both in Cubase and Pro Tools. I wrote all of my MIDI stuff in Cubase, exported it to audio, to then import it in Pro Tools. And there I would mix it and maybe record some vocals. So when it was time to update, I was like, do I really need 2 DAWs? So I decided to drop Pro Tools because Cubase, in my opinion, is better for the whole creative process. The one thing though that kept bothering me in Cubase, and still to this day, is that there's no quick access to the volume and panning controls when you're in the editing window. Let me show you what I mean. In Pro Tools, and this is a very old version, but the volume and panning controls are right there for every track. So whatever I'm doing on whatever track, if I hear something's off, I just go there and I change it. In Cubase, however, I have to click the track and then change it. You'd expect it to be an option when you go to your control settings here, but it's not there. And I know I could have the mixer open at all times, but to me that's still not as intuitive. I could also expand the volume and panning automation track for every track, which would kind of mimic the Pro Tools situation, but then if I actually automate the volume, that's no longer an option, which would be the same in Pro Tools, but I'm just saying. If I would work with audio, I could automate the event like this, and then I could still use the automation tracks, but meh. And the same actually goes for inserts and sends, but that I can live with. If I'm missing something here, please tell me, help a girl out. Until then, this is my suggestion. Add the volume and the panning controls to the track, kind of like this. If you agree or disagree, or have a completely different suggestion, let me know in the comments, and then I can change nothing because I have zero influence. But then at least you got it off your chest. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!